take a look at how the faces of female beauty have changed over the last 30 years. In the late 1980s to early 1990s, the beauty industry was dominated by amazing supermodels like Naomi Campbell and Cindy Crawford. These models reflected attractive features like strong brows, high cheekbones, almond-shaped eyes, and full lips. Pop icons took the mid to late 1990s with faves like Brittany Spears, Jennifer Lopez, and Christina Aguilera, who sported thin eyebrows, small noses, glossy lips, and oval-shaped faces. In the early to mid-2000s, we saw a bit more diversity with celebrities like Lady Gaga and Beyonce. Beauty trends gravitated towards arched eyebrows, high cheekbones, plump lips, and heart-shaped faces. Coming into the 2010s, we saw an emphasis on natural beauty and symmetry. Examples of this include Kate Middleton, Angelina Jolie, and Taylor Swift. The 2020s and beyond gave height to stars like Bella Hadid and Kendall Jenner with more striking and angular faces versus Gigi Hadid and Kylie Jenner who have more heart-shaped faces. And we've definitely seen a trend amongst influencers and celebrities who favor a poutier lip, defined cheekbones, and natural-looking makeup. Let us know which trend was your favorite in the comments.